Hey there, and thanks for taking a few minutes for yourself. It's important to remember that you're a priority. Even just a short break for reflection can make a big difference in your day. So, let's use these next few minutes to center ourselves and set a positive intention for the rest of the day. Find a comfortable position, whether you're at your desk or on the couch, and gently close your eyes. Focus on your breathing, take slower, deeper breaths than usual. Breathe in through your nose, letting your lungs expand, and exhale slowly through your mouth. Pay attention to how your body feels. Notice any tension or tightness, and give yourself permission to relax those areas, sending them some positive thoughts. Thank your body for taking care of you and let it know it's okay to rest for these few minutes. If your mind starts to wander, that's normal. Just gently bring your focus back to your breathing. Think of something that made you smile or feel thankful today and let that positive feeling fill you up. Breathe in that joy from head to toe and allow yourself to smile if it feels right. Now, think of one small thing you can do today, for yourself or someone else, that will keep this positive feeling going. It could be as simple as planning to go to bed early to read that book you've been meaning to, or enjoying a meal with a close friend. Focus on that positive action for a moment. Let's take a few more deep breaths together. Inhale deeply, feeling your lungs expand, hold it for a moment, and then exhale completely. Take one more deep breath, sending it through your entire body, and then slowly bring your awareness back to where you are. Thank yourself for these intentional moments and, when you're ready, gently open your eyes and enjoy the rest of your day.